In this video, we are going to fix 0x80071a2d Windows update error in Windows 11. Now, without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you need to do is you need to run the troubleshooter for Windows update. How we can do that at day start, navigate here, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. Once you have opened the settings window, you need to proceed here at the left pane. Find for an option which is called the system. Click on that one. And under the system settings, you need to scroll down and find for an option which is the troubleshoot. So once you find it, click on here. And then the moment you have opened the troubleshoot, please click on run as other troubleshooters. Sorry. So go with other troubleshooters and there you can see Windows Update. Please click on run that is corresponding to Windows Update. So run the troubleshooter for Windows Update and this will take 3 minutes or less than that. It will depend on your machine, but please be patient. Wait until it will be done. And once you are done, see if the problem has been fixed. However, if not, then we need to move on to the second solution. The second solution would be you need to proceed here with the search box and type for CMD. Once you've typed it, you'd be able to see a best match, which is a command prompt system. Please navigate at the right side and go with Run as Administrator. Now click on it. Once you have opened the command prompt as administrator, you need to copy the commands that I have given at the YouTube description and please copy and paste it here one by one. So don't paste this one as a whole. Instead, you need to paste it here one by one. So this is not stopped. And once you have stopped this here, you need to proceed to the second, which is this one, and then proceed to the second again. Okay? And then proceed on starting what you have stopped here at the first. So once you are done, complete the procedure. Don't close this window unless you are done with this all of these commands. And then you need to check if the problem has been fixed. Okay? So that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Now, thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.